guys, welcome back to a new video. It is your girl Neriah. For those that are new here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So we are wearing this beautiful red wig. It is from Aliexpress. I was really impressed with this unit. The color really eats. I love the lace. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything, and it's honestly worth your buck. Okay, when I looked online, this wig started off at like $60. So I'm honestly surprised for the cost, for the look, for everything that you get. This is some really good quality hair. All the information will be down below as always. I can't remember the specific AliExpress vendor, but girl, it will be linked down below. But don't let that price scare you. This hair was actually really good. The quality was really nice, really silky, really soft. The quality of this hair was A1. I was really impressed. So this is me installing it. You did get a lot of lace. It's a true 13x6 frontal, as you can see, ear to ear, sis, completely ear to ear. The quality of the hair, the way it was dyed, everything was just given really silky and bone straight. I loved it. So I'm gonna go in with my Evian hairspray. You guys already know, okay, I use this for if I need a hold for maybe like 2 or 3 days. This will last me a good 2 to 3 days. You go ahead and spray it, add some heat or blow dryer, and girl, you are honestly good to go. I do let it dry for about 2 to 3 minutes. You really don't need a long time, especially with the black can or the gold can. But primarily, this is me putting the wig on. I'm combing the hair and the product of the hose and spray through, and that really helps to melt it in and keep it in place. So that's what I'm doing here, pushing the wig back as necessary. But like I said, I really appreciate it being pre-plugged. Y'all see the little speck of hair that's falling into my face? I'm going to eventually cut that off. So this is the hair with the melt band taken off right after it melted. I am going to go do a middle part bust down. That's just really the only thing that came to my mind with this hair. So gorgeous. Love the color. It was easy to part, easy to just, girl, it was really nothing to do. I did pluck the part just a little bit, and then you guys will see I will hold the part in place with some holding spray. And y'all know the drill. I mean, honestly, I don't feel like I need to sit here and talk to y'all. This is probably the 30,000th hair tutorial you guys have seen from me. And so yeah, if you don't have a wax stick or any gel, you can always use holding spray, and it does the exact same thing. So once that part was molded, I did go ahead and add some makeup to the lace, and I just feel like that just changed the whole vibe. Okay, that really turned the wig up. That definitely just upgraded everything. It just looks so sleek and nice, and yes girl. And then I did flat iron the hair a little bit. I didn't necessarily have to do that either, but I always tell you guys, with silky straight hair like this, please don't have your flat iron up too high. You don't want to burn the hair. You don't want it to get fried or for it to lose all of its silkiness. So I definitely made sure my flat iron was turned down to about 350, and then I'm just trimming the front of my face, or just what you would call framing my face. I love that when I added makeup to the part, it just really transformed the wig and really brought it to life. So it's really that easy, girl. As you can see, I am cutting off the lace, and baby, this is it. Like, this is it. As always, thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you guys, and thank you for sticking with me yet another video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video as well. But if you're in the market for a red wig, if this is your vibe and you've been on edge with this AliExpress vendor, I highly recommend them. Of course, all the information for this wig will be linked down below. It's truly worth it. The cause is worth it. And yes, sis, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, you shout out to AliExpress for sponsoring today's video. And I'll see you in the next one.